New reporter Sisiana Eba it is a Kotoko negotiating for a center back. Obi Musah say because of Henry they see in Indiana. Na me a feel I'm saka information so to say the one say me there abeto Sisiana. I say exclusive ASANTE KOTOKO negotiating a deal with former Accra Lions center back Musah Hamzata. Musah Hamzata. Now Musah Hamzata no. Oh yeah. Defender or your center back inti say no deal we there afuna me be fa for the busem na we initial reporter circulate e social and in the media no so Hamzata no me the profile be ma real quick profile no answer na me be ma no join this here join it 0247107260 international reaction also. Na memfa the profile the mouse is here. Hamzata the last club our boy Accra Lions. Accra Lions is relegated now. No. Na Hamzata no Ghana Premier League na ekosu sisia. We feature 47 times. Yes. Okra 3 goals as a center back. Inti oye defender at least one in a while be utimi day a goal ono Hamzata details na me dey ma ka crab no arano na me nwa data no boy dey nti no we go straight to the point asem no ye nche wo ho kra to say the American okra 3 goals in the Ghana Premier League with 47 appearances as a center back and na okra 2 assists. A very young player. Yeah, we no ya 2003. The 2003 no. So Mr. Keme neck out na man fa calculator more na because me checking in fie na me hesa me massacre. Yeah, will be 2003. Yeah, will 2025. Inti by simple no 3 and 25 no. I think say be 22. Kaish akwa me massacre. Job 22 years. 22 years and or a defender center back. Ne naya o use no right footed. Na afi yemrafie. Yebefia currently. Samba Onel center back. Joseph Ablo center back. Henry Ansu senior man na mistake on a ma go ne ba center back. And an we are kofa Zach Fuseni and so every become Chelsea by also a center back. Inti so far I think 4 center backs and a hosisia. So sa Zaki be kan ho na man I say 5 center back. Is it not enough? And I say asimbia ye kan wa sentiment maze and nam do don sen kwanti omra. Well, comment section no yentie the comment section we can if I will wait to be the comment about whether or not we should go for this particular player. Oh heard na on say or a younger youthful exuberance no ewo into the momentum ka e wa sales this year.